Good morning, how are you guys today? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I thought it would be fun to take you guys along a fitness routine as well as show you some healthy eats. So I'm gonna be doing my workout outside today just because it's literally the perfect day to do an outdoor workout. It's overcast, it's not too hot, so I thought I would take full advantage. Yeah, this is just gonna be one of my leg workouts, so I always try to mix it up when I go to the gym or when I do a workout. So I'll show you one of the workouts that I like to do and all of the exercises. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. And then I'll be showing you just some healthy food as well. So I'm gonna be making black bean burgers, so some veggie burgers. I do have a barbecue that I'm going to on Friday night and I wanted to prep. I always like to bring my own food because usually there's no veggie burgers, it's always beef. So I always make sure to bring my own so that I'm not screwed. So yeah, I'll be prepping that and I'm gonna have one tonight for dinner obviously as well. So I'll show you guys exactly how I make the bean burgers and my workout. So let's get cracking. Alright, so after a workout, I like to have a little smoothie, and what I've been trying to do is have a green smoothie every single day. Try to. So I've been doing pretty well actually. So I'm just gonna toss some kale, some spinach, some fruit, and a little bit of plant-based protein as well. And that is my post-workout smoothie. So I just did some spinach, some kale, a fruit blend which was strawberry, banana, kiwi, as well as a little bit of lemon juice and protein, and then just water. I actually really like a green smoothie. Yeah, and it's a great way just to add more leafy greens to your diet. So if you're the kind of person who doesn't eat enough of them, then tossing them in a smoothie is a great alternative. Now, spinach I find to be a lot more tasteless when you put it in with fruit and stuff. It kind of just blends, whereas kale has a much stronger flavor. So if you're not a huge fan of greens, then maybe just stick to spinach, but I personally don't mind it. I like kale, so I like putting both in. And I'll typically have something like this after the gym, and that will keep me going until lunch. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I start making the bean burgers. All right guys, it is later afternoon now and I'm about to get cracking on the bean burgers. That's what we're gonna be having for dinner tonight. And like I said, I am gonna make a couple extra so I can bring them this weekend to the barbecue. So let's get started. Okay, so unfortunately we don't have black beans. I thought we did. So we're gonna be doing kidney beans and lentils, and I'm gonna mix the two of those and see how that turns out. All right, so I've just put the lentils and the kidney beans into a bowl, and I'm gonna mash these babies up until it's smooth, or as smooth as it can be. The last time I tried to make bean burgers, I decided I would try to blend the beans, which was a big mistake. They didn't blend up very well and the blender got all clogged, so I ended up just mashing them anyway. So if you guys have a food processor, this would work the best, which I don't, so mashing it is. We're not off to a good start here. All right, so that's all mashed up now, and as you can see, it's like a paste consistency, so that's what we want. That makes it really easy to morph into burger patties. All right, so the next step, I'm just going to fry up some mushrooms, some onion, and some garlic, and I'm gonna chop it up really, really fine because we're gonna toss it into the mixture and then make some burgers. All right, so I didn't really measure, but I just grabbed a handful of mushrooms. I'm thinking that's about 1.5 cups. So I'm just gonna fry that up. Then I always keep chopped onion already ready in the fridge, so I'm just gonna take a good chunk of that because I like onion a lot. Maybe about 3/4 cup to a cup. A little bit of olive oil. And then 2 cloves of garlic. All right, so for spices, I'm gonna do a little bit of chili powder and then some cumin as well, but you could just do whatever you wanna spice it with. These are the ones I used last time and it turned out really well, so I'm gonna go for them again. I don't really measure, I just kind of sprinkle it on top until I think it's good. So it's really good. I think I'm just gonna add a little bit more spice. It's not as flavorful as I want it to be, so I'm just gonna sprinkle on a little bit more. Okay, last I'm going to add some oats as well. I'm gonna blend them up. I feel like that'll just help keep the mixture together a little bit better. And then I'm gonna add some salt and pepper, and then we are good to fry these babies up. So this is the perfect consistency for making a burger here. It's not too pasty and it's not too dry, so it'll stick together really well into patties. So these are the finished patties, and then you can just fry them up or barbecue them and dress them how you like. Tonight for dinner, I'm just gonna have mine without a bun, but I'm still gonna dress it up. And you also wanna make sure that they're not too thin when you're making them. So I usually make mine about 1/2 inch thick, and using 2 cans of beans, you'll get about 6 patties. If you just wanted to do 1 can, then you can have 3 patties. So that sums up dinner. I'm having a salad with my burger and no bun. So I'm gonna top it with lettuce, tomato, a little bit of hot sauce, and tzatziki. And then I also have some avocado. So that sums up my video today, you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed seeing one of my workout routines, as well as a smoothie I've been having a lot lately, and the vegan burger recipe that I did for dinner. And I'll also put the recipe up on my blog if you guys are interested, just to have it all laid out there. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.